Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be covering all the necessary parking and stopping rules to nail your upcoming learner's license test.
Let's kick things off.
Do not park in the following areas. Please note you are also not allowed to park where you are also not allowed to stop. 1. In any places where you will obscure a road sign. 2. On a sidewalk, unless such vehicle is being used by a street vendor or hawker. At the entrance to any private or public school. 4. Within 1 meter of the edge of the road outside an urban area, unless it is in a designated parking bay. 5. Within 1.5 meters of a fire hydrant. 6. Within 9 meters of a pedestrian crossing. 7. Within 5 meters of an intersection. 8. Upon an actuating mechanism of a traffic signal. 9. With your left wheels further than 450 millimeters from the edge of the pavement, unless permitted by a road sign. 10. On a road that is less than 5.5 meters wide, unless it is a one-way. 11. In a traffic island, possibly in a pedestrian lane or even within a pedestrian mall. 12. In a loading zone. Failure to obey these rules will result in a fine or your vehicle being impounded. The above rules do not apply to emergency vehicles, on-duty police and traffic officers, and road construction and maintenance vehicles. Now that we have covered that, our next topic is places where you may not stop your vehicle. Let's get to it. 1. Alongside an excavation if this will obstruct traffic flow. 2. In a tunnel, subway, or on a bridge. 3. Within 6 meters of a tunnel, subway, or bridge. 4. On or within 6 meters of where a roadway has narrowed. 5. In contravention of any road sign or marking. 6. On the right-hand side of the road, facing oncoming traffic. 7. Alongside or opposite another vehicle where the road is less than 9 meters wide. 8. Within the rail reserve at a level crossing. 9. Within 9 meters of the approach side at a pedestrian crossing. 10. Within 1.5 meters of a fire hydrant. 11. At any place where it will cause an obstruction. 12. On a freeway. Now let's talk about compulsory stops. You must always stop in the following cases. 1. Always stop when directed to do so by a traffic officer or road sign. 2. Always stop when you are involved in an accident. 3. Always stop when any pedestrian is about to enter a pedestrian crossing. 4. Stop when requested to do so by any person herding animals over the road. Thank you for watching, everyone. If this video has helped you in any way, please like, share and subscribe for more, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you have any questions, please drop a question in the comments, and stay tuned for the next video. Happy learning and God bless.